Here are 6 steps for using substitution to solve a system of equations. Step 1. Solve one of the equations for either variable. Step 2. Substitute the expression from Step 1 into the other equation. Step 3. Solve the resulting equation. Step 4. Substitute the solution in Step 3 into either of the original equations to find the other variable. Step 5. Write the solution as an ordered pair. Step 6. Check that the ordered pair is a solution to both original equations. Simply, we have a cycle of solve, substitute, ordered pair, check. Let's see if we can apply these steps to a few two-equation systems. In our first system, we have 2 equations. X plus 2y equals 8, and x equals -5. Step 1 of our substitution steps is to solve one of the equations. What do you notice right away about one of these 2 equations? Did you see that one of the equations is already solved? We know that x has a value of -5. Now we just need to determine what y is equal to. We are ready to substitute. Step 2 is to substitute the answer from Step 1 into the other equation. Since we know that x equals -5, we can substitute the x in the first equation with the -5 from the second equation. Step 3 is to solve. Now we have a linear equation with only one variable, y. We know how to solve this. Let's first isolate the variable y. We need to add 5 to both sides of the equation. -5 and +5 sum to 0. 8 plus 5 equals 13. Our revised equation is now 2y equals 13. What do you remember about 2y? What does it mean? What mathematical action is happening? Did you remember that multiplication is happening? That's right. 2y is the same as 2 times y. Since we still want to isolate the variable y, we have to do the opposite of multiplication, which is division to both sides of the equation. Let's divide both sides of the equation by 2. The 2's divide out to 1 on the left side of the equation. Now we have a solution for y. The next step is to substitute back into the first equation. However, we don't need to do that for this system because the first equation is already solved for x. Let's jump ahead to the next step and write our ordered pair. From the second equation, we have -5 for the value of x in our ordered pair, and we just solved for y, so we know it equals 6.5. So our ordered pair is -5, 6.5. Now that we have our ordered pair, we can check our solution. In this final step, we substitute the values from the solution into each equation. Our second equation is easy because it is x equals -5. For the first equation, let's substitute -5 for x and 6.5 for y. Simplify the left side. 2 times 6.5 equals 13. Then add -5 plus 13 to get 8, and our solution checks.